Welcome to All the Coupon. Today, I'm here with an exclusive deal for you on Hostinger, where you can save big on hosting plans and even get a few months free. If you go to Hostinger's site without a discount code, you'll see the regular prices. But with our special coupon, you'll unlock a significant discount. Just click the link in the description or the pinned comment, and you'll be directed to the discounted offer page. Once you're there, simply click the button to choose a plan. For example, let's go with the premium plan. Hit Choose Plan, and once the plan page loads, you'll notice that the savings increase if you select a 24 or 48-month plan. While there's also a 12-month option, remember that the longer the plan, the bigger the discount. Watch as the price instantly drops, giving you maximum savings on your chosen plan. Remember, Hostinger may occasionally update its site layout or plan names, so things might look a bit different on your end. No worries though, you'll still be able to use the discount code no matter the setup. And right now, they're offering an additional 2 months free on select plans, so make sure to check it out. To get started, click the link in the description or the pinned comment. Select the plan that's best for you, apply the code, and lock in your savings. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more deals, and stay tuned for more savings tips. Stay safe and happy hosting.